Start by preheating the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, then peel and cube 3 small sweet potatoes and place them on a baking tray. Drizzle with a tablespoon of Mr Organic's Italian Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil and sprinkle over a teaspoon of smoked paprika and a good pinch of Maldon salt's pepper sea salt. Then toss to combine and place in the oven to roast for 25 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, make the smoky black beans by heating 2 tablespoons of Mr Organic's olive oil in a shallow pan on medium. Add in only the white parts of 4 sliced spring onions and fry them off. Next, add in 2 cloves of minced garlic and stir it through the pan. Add in a teaspoon each of smoked paprika, ground cumin and chilli powder as well as a bay leaf, and stir those through until smelling fragrant before adding in a heaped tablespoon of Mr Organic's tomato puree and fry it off in the spices. Next, pour in 2 tins of Mr Organic's black beans as well as their liquid and season well again with a good pinch of Maldon salt's pepper sea salt and stir through. Bring to a gentle boil and leave to simmer for 20 minutes on a low to medium heat, stirring occasionally. Make the spicy orange salsa by slicing up 2 oranges into thin slices, then remove the rind. Add the orange slices to a bowl with the reserved green parts of the 4 spring onion tops, half a finely chopped red chilli, the zest and juice of a lime, a small handful of coriander leaves and a pinch of salt, then toss to combine. Serve up the smoky black beans, remove the roasted sweet potato from the oven and scatter that over the top. Then garnish with some of the spicy orange salsa, some sliced spring onion and fresh coriander leaves, and finish with another good pinch of Maldon salt's pepper sea salt. With almost 10 plant points per serving, why not try this simple and flavourful smoky black bean and sweet potato stew to help you feel good naturally by eating 30 plants a week.